What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Another day, another car meet. Private car meet to be exact. Heck yeah. This car is so fun. This car has been so much fun. I didn't tell you guys, but I actually fully straight piped this car. So now it's a lot more loud and just a lot more fun. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, this car is so much more fun now. Woo, takes the corners good. The car just feels amazing. Like I said, guys, we're going to a car meet right now. Same private one as before. My homeboy's little barbecue private meet. Going back there again, man. We're gonna see what's up. And yeah, just have a vibe, man. If you guys are down with that and cool with that, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's go. Very curious to see what cars are gonna pull up. Always something there that's good and just really nice and chill. I love the vibes there, but let me know in the comments down below what cars you think will be there, guys. Maybe a Supra? Oh, the homie is dang frameless. Bro, this car is crazy. Like, look at this. Comes with a dang Momo steering wheel stock. RB25 turbo from the dang R34 GTT, right? Bro, this thing's mad comfy too. Like, so comfy in this car, but that's so sick. You got a 4-door big body that comes with R34 GTT, the RB25, whatever it is, right? That is sick, yo. Look at this, frameless doors too. Like, check that out. Frameless, bro. That's so sick. Music is loud, but yo, look at that. RB25, bro. That's crazy. That is fire. Whee! People starting to pull up. Let's go, boss. Bro, check that out. E36 drift spec. What up, dude? What up? What up? Look at this. This thing's actually really nice too. IS300 drift spec. Woo. That look good, G. But yeah, check that out too. You got the homies bagged Challenger, a WRX. Yo, look at this. Got a whole vendor up here too. These boys are growing, dude. Look at this. They're selling wheels. That's fire. And then you got that MS3 right over here as well. Man, can't wait to put on the wheels, which we have now, guys. We actually have the wheels. We're just finding tires, and then that's it. But super sick. And then, of course, the homie, the actual hosts of this whole private event is 240. Thing is so sick. I love his 240 so much. It's just like simple OEM, but fire. And just so you're wondering, this and that is his. Both of them. That's his daily, and that's his, like, you know, weekend car. Got another 240, C4. Hey, look who pulled up. Let's go. The boys came back. Let's go, dog. Let's go. Sheesh, your boy's back too. Let's go. That's fire, bro. Check out this guy's like collection here that he's selling. Like, look at this. You got some bangers in here. You got the MX5s. You got the 240Zs. You got the Proto Z right there. You got the FK8 type bars. You even got the R33s, 300ZX. You got the Liberty Walk silhouette of the Nissan Skyline, which is crazy. There's a lot of bangers here, dude. Look at that. Even a Subaru Forester, the 2023 GT4 Nissan Z. You got a Bugatti Veyron. You got what? The Porsches, the M5s. So much sick stuff here, dude. And check this out. Even like FD RX7s. We even got like other stuff like this, like the towing stuff. This is actually pretty sick. It's windy, but we got the barbecue here getting ready. But yeah, man, check out that Z4. That looks pretty sick. Got a 240 drift spec. Like, look at this. Got the camber, red seats, you know, 240 things. What can you expect with a 240? But pretty cool, man. It's nice to see just people driving their projects out here. These you don't see often either. Z4s, manual too. The wind is crazy, but yo, gee, this thing 240Z, 280Z, 260Z. You can never tell the difference, but it looks sick, yo. Like hands down the best Z ever made right here, 100%. Damn, more people pulling up. Look at that. Gee, STI, Golf R, and what? The GTI? No, another Golf R. Sheesh. And then we got this beauty inside the garage. This thing's crazy, bro. Look at that engine bay. Like, how much power do you guys think this thing's pushing? Like, you could just tell how expensive this is. Like, this is not cheap at all. This thing must be pushing some serious power. Hey, look at that. Oh, those are some nice, like, clean white wheels, by the way. The Speed over there glistening. Man, it needs wheels so badly. Blue and gold, polish lips. That looks good. Again, the boys' car right there. That thing looks nice. Then we got the yellow Supra. That's really nice too. And Subi right up there. And this is actually really nice. I think this is like the rare edition GR Corolla. Yeah, like look at this. I think it's like the Circuit edition or whatever. That looks dang aggressive, man. Maybe I need to get one for real. Those things look so menacing, man. This Supra looks nice, and yellow is so damn clean. Imagine getting my Speed 3 and this together in a pic or something. Look really fire. See, Hellcat Charger. That's nice. And look at that Subi over there. Ooh, that Subi's clean, dog. Look at that. Wide body from factory. These things are fast, man. Ooh. See. Sounds good. See. I see him all the time, bro. Yo, what is that? Look at that. What? Beside the Corvette. She big body. She get back to the nice 6 spot. You guys already know this is the perfect spot to take photos of cars, yo. I don't care what anybody says. But those are pretty sick too. C5 over there as well. But yo, I just forgot to tell you guys, it's dark out now. I've been chatting it up with a lot of the homies here. That crown looks so dang good. Ooh. Yeah, yo. That thing looks good. Jeez.
This jet of crown, like.
Ooh. It's just too clean. Right hand drive. And then a casual Huracan just pulls up as well. What a crazy night, G. Damn, man, that thing is clean. Hey. Jeez. Rich boys. What is that? Oh. That looks pretty sick. Okay. E46 M3. Anyway, boys, I think I'm gonna call it a night. There's that Beamer again. Look how static that BRZ is. That's so crazy. I don't know how he drives it like that, bro. Like full on static. Super nice night, but I think I'm gonna call it a night because it is getting late. I think it's like already 11. So I'm gonna call it a day. As you can tell, some people are gone already. Check it out, it is the next day clearly. And check it out, we actually have the wheels back. So I picked up the wheels off camera. They are done. Just for you guys that don't remember, I'm gonna put a little picture right up here. This is how they basically looked before being refinished, repolished or whatever. I didn't change the lip sizes. I kept these exact lip sizes. I just had the rims repolished. I said rims, wheels repolished. There we go. And right here we got all the actual like little bolts or screws you want to say that goes into it. You got the valve stems and stuff as well up in here. So all of these are cleaned as well, polished, and ready to go back on to the wheels. So you guys ready to see it? Check it out. So right here we got the new polished lips and polished wheel for the Speed 3. Look at that, like a mirror. And if you look at it right now, it's actually dirty. Like if you clean this off right here, you can see like how nice and shiny this thing's gonna look. Oh my goodness. But yeah guys, as I said, we kept the original lip sizes, which the rears are 18 by 9.5 plus 38, and then the fronts are 18 by 8.5 plus 40. Right here we actually have our spacers that we're going to be running on the car as well. These are 20mm spacers, I'm pretty sure, so we're going to add that to the wheels and it should push it out to that good, at least that fitment that I want. If not, then I'll go up to like a full inch, which is a 25mm spacer. But for now I want to try the 20mm just to see how it will look like, because overall I really want to get this fitment dialed in. I want it to look better than how it looked on the white wheel setup. I'll put a picture of it right up here somewhere. I want it to look better than that. I think with these wheels we're gonna do exactly just that, like the full polish, the chrome look that matches with the headlights. As you can see, the chrome mirrors, the tail lights. You guys basically see exactly what I mean now. This is gonna look crazy, especially in the sunlight. Seeing this just glistening, and man, it's gonna look hard. But however, we are not putting the wheels on in this video because I actually have to find tires for the car, which for the rears I'm looking for a 215 40 18, and then for the fronts I'm looking for a 205 40 18, which should be a good amount of stretch so that when this car is aired out it'll look cherries. I took the wheel off so you can get a better look at it, but guys, this thing is mint now. I cannot wait to put the tires on and put it on the Speed 3. It's gonna look absolutely insane on this car. This is pretty much for the rears. As you can tell, this is the 18 by 9.5. You got like a good like 2.5 inch lip on here. Nothing too crazy, but for the fronts I think you only got like an inch lip. It's pretty small. But for next year we're actually gonna resize the fronts so that they match with this one. I might even just make this one a full 3 inch lip, but we'll wait until next year to do that. For now, I just wanted the wheels polished and ready so that I can run them, because I am sick and tired of running the Steelies on this car. But what I'm doing right now is I'm actually putting the valve stem back on right here, and then obviously put back in all these little bolts here, or screws, whatever you want to call them. And boom, there we go. Got all the little bolts back in, got our valve stem back in. It is now back to a fully complete wheel once again. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of the wheels here. You guys don't really need to see that because it's pretty basic, to say the least. Wheels make such a drastic difference on a car, especially when it's lowered and has the right fitment pretty much. So if you guys are excited to see these wheels on the Speed 3, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so I know that you guys want to see it on the car. If not next week's video it comes out, it's probably the week after next week is when we'll be installing these wheels, the Work N2s, on the Speed 3. So stay tuned for that video, guys, because you better not miss it. Yeah, man, that was pretty much a little update for you guys that stayed till the end. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video, whatever that may be. Hope you guys have a good day, morning, evening, night, whatever time of the day it is for you. I hope you have a great day, great weekend, and whatever. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.